Hey, welcome into the craft table at Sunny Mile Studio. Today we're making this cute Christmas card and I have it sketched out. I thought I'd show you how I draw the items first. I'm going to use my two pens here, my Pentel pocket pen, and this is a Tombow Fujanowski pen that is waterproof. And I'm just going to start, oh whoops, it was untwisting there. Back a little so you can see what I'm doing. I'm at my dining room table tonight because my other table is all boxed up for the move. And anyway, my camera was falling off the table. So I'm just going to start with the wording first. I like to get that on there. And I'm just using this Pentel pen, kind of just making these wonky letters. You can use any fonts that you like. And different words you could do, like Merry and Bright or Merry Christmas, or there's so many different sentiments at Christmas time that you can use. Just using this joy one tonight. Ugh. And I just try to make certain parts thicker and thinner. And then I'm going to switch to the Fujanowski pen, the Tombow pen. And I'm just going to let that, make sure it's dry. And I'm just going to add these little doodles around it. And there's a lot of different doodles for Christmas. But these are just the ones that I liked. I'm going to do a few little different snowflakes up here. I know it might seem a little early to some of you for Christmas, but I kind of like to start early because I like to make so many handmade things at Christmas time. This way I can enjoy the process and not feel rushed. Get in a little closer here. Is that better? You can let me know if you like it closer, farther away. Our household is pretty much packed up. We have a little bit more to do in the morning, but we're just getting ready to move as the seasons change. And I'm always reminded how much energy and time it takes to pack everything. It's always nice to get where you're going and be settled again. I think I'm going to make some of these edges a little bit heavier. I didn't know this pen was waterproof till I tested it the other time. I haven't used it in so long. But I was so glad because it has such a nice point on it, and you can make it go wider and thinner depending on how you press on it. Just a little candle here. And some mittens. Did you have these mittens that were like attached to your coat when you were a kid? I think I had these when I was really little. And then I'm just going to put a few little Christmas trees over here. Really, the options are endless with all the different doodles you could do. And once you're happy with what you made, you can let it dry. And when it's dry, you can go back and erase any pencil lines you don't want to see. Now, if I was making this normally, I would let this sit for another 10 minutes or so just to solidify and make sure the paint is truly dry, or not the paint, the pen is truly dry. But since we're filming, you can do all kinds of things. This one I kind of painted the dark green border and then did light green, but this one I'm going to try actually I don't need the paper, I'm not going to go off the edge. I'm going to try this gold pen and just do a border around the edge. And it's okay if your lines are a little wonky because this is handmade. And I think I'll go in with that light green. Just give it a wash of color. Just going in with a light wash of water. I'm going to drop the color in before it dries. This paper dries up pretty fast. Oops. Let's see. Oh, if I seem a little tired, it's because we've been packing all day. But I just had a few minutes this evening and I wanted to share this sweet card with you. Whoops, getting out of the camera. Sorry about that. I might just add a little of this other green down here. dropping in more color. You could even sprinkle some salt on here for a neat effect as well. But I think I'm going to stop there. You can choose all kinds of different colors for the season, blues or reds, golds. We'll try some more and some new patterns that I have for Christmas coming up in the coming days. But I hope you're doing well, and thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial, and I look forward to being with you again soon.